You are listening to the AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
Sydney, it's great to have you on. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me, Siamak.
We want to talk to you about AI. You're involved with the AI movement. Can you tell us what's happening right now with AI?
I was actually a couple of years ago, I got in AI, and it was a wonderful, journey because I had some health issue, all of a sudden, testing, and they gave me a wrong drug.
So you went through the medical system, they gave you the wrong drug.
Yeah, they gave me a wrong drug. It was 2023, and then I went kind of a crazy. And then I start putting everything on the ChatGPT and the other AI and gave me an alternative, gave me, side effects. So I said, wow, and this is wonderful. So then, everybody, they have a health, they get these things called the My Chart. Like you go and do the, exam and you get it before even the doctors get it. So you can, for all your audience, it's not doctor, but they can kind of know what's going on with their body or what is this. They can put that, My Chart, getting to them. That's what I did. I put it in the ChatGPT and other places that explain to me this drug. And I find the alternative. So that's how I got to the AI, which is, I had the background. I've been in Silicon Valley for 38 years and I always, in front of the technology and new things.
And is there a lot of AI in healthcare right now? Is it moving in that direction?
No, AI, it started, more of a generative AI, which is, that was a wonderful, you see, there's a big question about how you, make a logo, how you make the pictures, how do you know the sound, all this other thing. Well, that's how I started to generate, they call it Gen AI. And, then the behind the scene, it's, that you have this LLM, basic large language model, you see that, OpenAI and other people, or Gemini, they did that. So these are all the other infrastructure in the back end. So, but there is something called, after that, it's enterprise AI, because that's what a lot of companies are putting, money in there. That's going to be more of it's not going to take somebody's job. It just helps to be efficient in the company. That's what it is. And if I may say so, it's the AI. There's infrastructures, there's data, and there is also, execution. That's what this AI is all about.
And how do you see that playing in healthcare?
That's a good question. Thanks for asking. Because you have all this other AI basically that it does. From my experience, AI in healthcare, AI can, just frankly, that AI can find cancer in stage 0. So if anyone else to live within the next 5 years, our life expectancy is going to be higher, basically, because AI. Let's say you go do this, the scan for normal scan, and then you give it to the radiologist, read it, but you put that thing on the AI, it will tell you, early stage, so you can see an early stage of the breast cancer, prostate cancer, other things. So AI. It's amazing about that, basically. It will diagnose very sufficiently. That's what it is. It can help the doctors, basically.
Now, what about the risks? Are there any potential risks? When it comes to healthcare, people care about their health.
Yeah, of course. That's what you need to be in control of I did, so I'm an example of it. And I started, actually, that's a good question. I have a book about that, AI, life, and business. So I started something called AI World Journal. After that, and I put all my information, not necessarily healthcare, but all the academic healthcare. I was part of a Carnegie Mellon. I went there, and also in Stanford.
You are listening to the AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
All this information, and but my personal couple of companies I can mention that this is not no advice, but they're not in stock market, but they will be great too. Is going to open evidence. It's open evidence. It's for the doctors. They're right there. They can kind of get all the data, all the research from JAMA, from other things. This is one of the app. And that's just for the doctors and hospitals, basically. It helps them. Basically, I have a patient, this is a situation, what's going on in the other places around the world? Could be in different places in
so
London.
So the doctors can actually compare notes with everyone.
Absolutely.
Around the globe.
Exactly. It's just for the doctors. And the other thing is that one of the things that they done with the AI is the company, very young company, but it's called Chai Discovery. For all of your audience, I will say, go look at it. They're already finding drugs. They already find one molecule. They build drugs, basically. So they already discovered a couple of drugs in the year and two and a half. So AI, it's amazing for that kind of a healthcare, basically.
Can you tell us more about your forum? You said you have a journal.
Yeah. I have so our company called AI World Media Group, basically, but it's general, but there's a three aspect of it. AI World Journal or aiworld.tv. You go there, it's every article. We have a lot of data, but it's very useful data. It's a report, so it's very smart content that we have. But also in the same token, we have 101 AI World. This is like encyclopedia AI. You go there, you learn about everything about the AI, and it's all free. It's no charge. We just wanted to give it away to someone, but it's a value right now. So I would highly recommend to go to aiworldjournal.com, and you can see the links. But beside all these money-making, other things like that, we built something called, because I ask everywhere I go speak and say, oh, you think AI is going to take over my job? And I said, no, it's going to take over the task. So if you're smart, but there is a scare there, in the future, but this AI is here to stay. And, that's going to help us tremendously to our daily life and other things, basically. We still need the human touch. It's not, some of the stuff like
so it's going to be more like a tool.
Yeah,
it's not going to take the jobs and do them.
Exactly, it's a task. Make this microphone easier. Systems, all this. But actually, human touch is very different. You cannot take over the human touch. You cannot have a robot as a girlfriend. That's for sure. So when you say you got a robot as a mate, and this is all fantasy. The 2001 Odyssey with Stanley Kubrick, I can go see. You can see that movie as he predicted years ago. But AI could be dangerous too, basically. Because a lot of people they fantasize it, and there's been very bad, basically, for a lot of kids. Actually, a couple of cases of the suicide. Kids they were very connected. Here we come. So we have all this algorithm. It's about information. We create something called AIWorldSociety.com. AI World Society. We teach kids that this is fantasy. We go to the high school or middle school and we teach underprivileged kids and to say, what, first of all, don't get scared about AI. You cannot go and just write something, copy it, learn about it, learn about language model. It's very easy, learn about coding. You can do coding right now with AI. The engineers, you have a lot of money, but so you learn about the tools, how to accomplish more, not just copy something and send a nice note to your girlfriend or something like they always do like that. So we teach them. We said, hey, girl, learn about that.
Cindy Armani, it was great to have you on Market Insider.
Thank you very much. And I suggest to everyone out there, great, you have a great brand. I love it. I was one of the things. So I suggest everybody go to the AI World Journal. I'm sure over there. And if they want to contact me, I am in the LinkedIn. I always help people that, if they want to get a job, or I'm always for younger people help, and also for nonprofit. So I'll be glad to answer it if I'm not right away. But you can go to LinkedIn, Sydney Armani, Sydney, Armani at LinkedIn. You can find me there.
The future of artificial intelligence is unfolding, and it's happening at AI World Week, the flagship global event for innovation, collaboration, and transformation. This flagship global AI event is designed to connect visionary leaders, trailblazing entrepreneurs, and influential thinkers to explore the endless possibilities of AI. Experience groundbreaking technology that redefines industries and inspires progress. Join thought-provoking discussions on ethical AI, digital equity, and the transformative role of technology in our world. Build meaningful connections that catalyze innovation and drive impact. AI World Week is powered by AI World Society, a global movement dedicated to advancing AI responsibly and ensuring it serves humanity. Together, we're shaping a smarter, more inclusive, and equitable future. Continue your journey beyond the event with the AI World Journal, offering expert insights, in-depth analysis, and the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. This is your opportunity to lead, to innovate, and to transform the world with AI. AI World Week. We invite you to join us and embrace the AI revolution.